Hello everyone, today's video will be very interesting. If you see the result like this, payment after payment, every single minute you can receive payment like this on your account. You can see for August I received almost 4 payment just today. Yesterday 28 I just received a payment. All these payments are for pay-per-call affiliate marketing. So I receive a lot of payment, and you can see I use Pioneer to receive my payment. So you can do the same. Let me show you what I do. So when you are in market call, this is the offer. You will need to create video if you want free method. I know a lot of you don't have money to spend on ads, and you need free method that works. I'm gonna use a free tool named InVideo. I'm gonna create video that I'm gonna post related to the offer that I'm promoting. Don't go anywhere, keep watching. You're gonna see how easy it is. It is only $15 per month if you don't want the watermark to come out of your videos. But if you don't care about the watermark, it's free. You can just use it for free. Let me show you the method. You will need to do that. You will need ChatGPT, okay, to create the video ID. And after, you're gonna use InVideo to create the video for you. And after, I'm gonna tell you where you will have to publish all these videos. In a day, you can make more than 30 videos like this. And I'm creating video for affiliate marketing for every type of business, just to make people click on my link or call on the phone number so I can make money. So let's say you have this offer on market call. Let's say you need things related to debt settlement and you want to apply for this. If you go to the offer, you see they're gonna pay $49 debt settlement, and the person that gonna apply is supposed to have at least a debt over 10,000 and more. So what you come to ChatGPT, you tell ChatGPT to give you IDs. You say, give me ID, give me a script video for YouTube, or you can say for TikTok, because it's gonna be used for TikTok, under 16 seconds on how to solve debt settlement problem. Debt settlement under over 10K problem. And you just ask ChatGPT. It's gonna give you a script that you will use. I'm gonna show you how you can use this inside of InVideo to create an awesome video that you can upload to TikTok. And at the end, you put the link or the phone number of the offer on your TikTok. People gonna call. So you see, ChatGPT just write this for me for free. So the very first step will be the voiceover. Hey TikTok, are you stressed about your debt exceeding 10,000K? So this is, you see how the video start. Let me read again for you guys, because you want to make money. Market call will pay you $49, okay, for everyone that call and make over 120 seconds. So you want to create a video for that. You just go to ChatGPT and you ask the question. You're holding a phone with a worries expression. So you have to take picture of someone holding a phone with a worried expression, okay? The voiceover is supposed to be, hey TikTok, are you stressed about your debt exceeding 10,000? So how are you gonna create this video? Keep watching, don't go anywhere. You go to InVideo and you go to AI text to video. And the AI text to video, what you're gonna do? You're gonna put the text, you're gonna find the template and you will put the text. But before I do any of these, I have to go on the left. I'm gonna choose portrait. This tool is free, but as I said, if you don't want the logo the watermark to be on the video, you want to make a TikTok video, you don't want people to see where you find this, just only $15 per month. Easy, anyone can do this. You just pay $15 per month, you can generate thousands of videos. Just follow along with me and see how I did it. So what you do, let's say I grab this video. I want to grab this one. I like this because with the bold headline. So I want to use this one. I want to create the video using this template. And right, I'm going to click on use template, as you can see right here. When I click use template, I'm going to use this template. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to take the text that ChatGPT give me and I'm going to paste them right here, as you can see here. And this AI tool, this InVideo, that I will create the video for me. And after, I'm going to arrange all the pictures to make them match what I'm explaining in the video. So let's say I start with the very first voiceover. That's the very first voiceover. And I'm gonna just click here and copy this one. So what I do, go back to InVideo and type it. That's the very first one. And I will do this one by one. Keep watching until I finish to copy everything, and I will be back. Okay, as you can see, this is what I do while I was posing the video. So this is the text that ChatGPT give me. What I do, I take only the voiceover text because this is the narrative that I want to put on InVideo to create the video for me. So, and they give me proper instruction on how to create the video. So they say for the very first sentences, opening shot, you holding a phone with a worried expression. So that's gonna be the picture that I'm gonna put when I will read this text, or when this text is gonna be displayed. I will have a picture of someone holding a phone with a worried expression. Secondly, cut to a shot of a notepad and pen. So I will try to find a video with someone with a notepad and pen, and the voice over that I will put for this will be, don't worry, I've got a plan. So I will do this for everything. So when I come to the steps, I'm gonna take the first step. This is how I'm gonna take the picture, show a close-up shot of you sorting through bills and statements. So this is what I'm gonna put as the picture or video of background, and the voiceover gonna be this. I'm not gonna write the voiceover, I'm gonna write gather all your depth details. So I'm gonna do this for all the text, and when I finish, I already did this. So as you can see in InVideo, the script, I just put all these things. So let's click on InVideo so InVideo can create the video for me. So I click on create send. So what you will have to do, InVideo gonna gather all the free footage all over the internet from website like pixels.com, like Pixabay, to try to create your video. But what you will have to do, you will just have to follow the guideline that you receive from ChatGPT on what type of picture, type of video background that you want for the video. So for every step, you're gonna take picture related to this and put them on ChatGPT. So now let's wait to see the magic gonna begin with these things creating for me my video. So my video has only 16 cents. That means it's a video less than a minute or more, so that I'm gonna use for TikTok. I'm gonna use this video for TikTok. And what I will have to do, I will just need to create what we call some subtitle for the video. For this, you may use the subtitle inside of InVideo, or you can go to another app called CapCut that's gonna help you to create subtitles. So my video is almost ready. I'm gonna see what they have for me, what they have created for me. So you see, that's the video and that's the text for the video. So they create picture, they put picture for me. Every scene has a picture, a different picture. So me, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna try to see if I can just move a little bit the text so people can read, because you know in TikTok, when you put the text very on the bottom, some text may be hidden, so we don't want them to be hidden. So what we do, we just adjust the text. This is the only thing you do, and after we're gonna adjust for the picture as well, because we're gonna try to put the picture. So I will try to do this myself, and I'll be back and arrange everything so you can do the same. So for this, for the picture, the very first one say, hey TikTokers, are you stressed about debt exceeding 10,000? So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go back to the chat GPT to see the instruction. You holding a phone with a worried expression. Holding a phone with a worried expression. So this is gonna be the phrase, the video that I'm gonna be looking. So you may go to InVideo and go to the left and InVideo where you see it says videos. So this is where you can add new video, replace video that you don't like and the video that you receive here. So you will have to do just type the text that you just copy, just type it, and you may find video related to this on InVideo. This will be the video that you're gonna use. So you see these are videos that I found from InVideo. So you see the picture of this guy worried. So I'm gonna drag this text, this video, okay? It's gonna be the video that I will be using for this type of slide, for the send. So I use this video. So make sure you don't take videos that are how can I say this, that are copyrighted. It's better for you to use video that is not copyrighted. So you will just increase the size. Let me take the video itself. Let's increase the size of the video. So why you do this, you want it because it's gonna be a TikTok short. You need video that's gonna be for TikTok. So that's the whole idea. I'm gonna finish with this, and when I'm coming back, you will see the final touch of this product. So as you can see, guys, what I just do, you can see I just type in the video section, and I type the instruction from ChatGPT, and I just do what ChatGPT tell me to do, like someone sorting for bills. So you can see the third step. So it's like someone sorting for bills and things like that. So this is what I do. So keep watching until we finish with this video. At the end you will see how easy it is to create this video, and this video gonna bring you a lot of phone calls and you will make a lot of money with pay-per-call. Keep watching. So now we finished with all the settings, all the text and everything is well done right now. So now one thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna adjust the text on the screen because I don't want it to be cut off when I go to TikTok with it. So I'm gonna put it like this. Okay, so let's say that's the last one, like and follow. Okay, let me find like and follow. Like and follow. So anything you see on this you don't like I don't like this picture or this video, I would prefer to search for a video related to this, like and share, follows and things like that. So it's gonna be better because it's most likely respond to the idea of the video. So if I take this one, someone that is liking and follow, and I know this video gonna be very interesting and gonna help me a lot. So this is what I do. So the video almost done. So I have the video ready now. So I'm gonna watch the finished part with you guys. Don't go anywhere. This video will be the video that you and me we're gonna use for TikTok, Instagram, Facebook Reels, just to promote this offer that we have here that gonna pay us $49 for every referral that we bring to them. So anytime you bring someone for this debt offer, they're gonna pay you $49. This is the offer. They're gonna pay you $49 for every people you refer to them. So guys, I don't know if I can give you more than that. That's more than giving you free money. I show you the way. You see, that's the the amount you're gonna be paid. So the video is ready. So I have the video ready. So I'm just adjusting the text. Let me just put the text here. So I'm just adjusting the text. I don't want them to be cut off when we go to TikTok or to Instagram or YouTube short. So this is why I do this. So guys, I will finish with arranging the text and I'm gonna be back. Okay, now I have everything ready. The one last thing that I have to do to finish with this video, you see it's like 60 seconds, it takes me time to create, but the result, the return on this video is very interesting and you're gonna make a lot of money. So what I'm gonna do right now, finish with this video, I'm gonna add some voiceover to this. So I'm gonna have someone, a voice of some actors that gonna read these for me. And it's gonna be very impressive, guys. So when you click on voiceover, you're gonna see these free tools, the InVideo. So the link will be on the description. Click on the link. If you use my link, you will get it for $50 because now it is $30. You can get it $50 off per month if you use my link. So as an affiliate, I will get a commission anytime you use my link. So this is why I ask you, encourage you to produce more content like this for you. So automated text to speech. If I click automated text to speech, I'm gonna get a voiceover that's gonna read the whole script for me. It's gonna read the whole script, and every part of the script will be written by this automated voice. So let me just do again the voiceover, the automated voiceover. So this is John. I'm not gonna use John, I'm gonna use Jack. I prefer the voice, the tone of Jack voice. Okay, I prefer to use this. Okay guys, as you can see, I finished with the video here. So as you can see, I'm gonna just use voiceover. So when you click underneath of the video, you're gonna see the voiceover. You can add actors, voiceover actor that gonna read the voice, the text on the video for you. You don't have to do nothing. You have everything inside of InVideo almost for free. If you don't have any problem using the logo on this, it's perfect. But if you want to have something without the logo, you pay $15. But just to generate this video and have people after watching the video calling for this amount you see right here, you want to make this $49. You want people with debt problem to call, people with debt over 10,000. So create a video like this. If every day you create 1 to 3 videos like this, you put them on TikTok or you put them on Instagram, Facebook. Even if you don't have money to spend on ads, you're gonna have a lot of phone calls and people gonna call you a lot. You're gonna make a lot of money. Just $49 for every phone call. So let's see the voiceover, how you sound. So that's gonna be the voiceover, guys.